This video will show you how to effortlessly link your USAA membership to Apple Card Pay so you can supercharge your spending. The first thing to do is open the Apple Wallet app on your iPhone in the top right corner. Locate and tap the plus button. This initiates the process of adding a new payment card. On the next screen, you'll be presented with options. Tap the debit or credit card option. This will start the card adding process. The phone will prompt you to scan your USAA card, position your USAA card within the frame, and the iPhone's camera will automatically try to read the card details. Alternatively, you have the option to manually enter the card information if scanning does not work. Once the card details are read by the phone, it will show you the card information and request you to verify it. Confirm that the card details that are shown are correct and that the correct card type is shown. The next step involves verifying your USAA membership. You'll be given a few verification options. Choose the verification method that is associated with your USAA account, such as text message or email. After choosing your verification option, follow the instructions to complete the verification process. Once the verification is successful, your USAA card will be added to Apple Pay. You're all set to start using your Apple Card with USAA. Now, just tap your iPhone at any place that accepts Apple Pay and enjoy the ease and security of spending with USAA and Apple Pay.